Are your customer details in a spreadsheet, training records in a filing cabinet, walkthrough notes on a notepad? And the keys? Someone probably remembers who has them, right? Introducing BuiltToClean Manager, created by a commercial cleaning company with over 16 years of industry experience. Designed to streamline your cleaning business operations into one seamless system. Manage keys effortlessly, add keys once, and easily transfer it to another employee or location via your mobile device while you're on the go. Conduct walkthroughs right from your mobile device as you tour a building. Complete and enter customer information at your fingertips. Fill out project details and site assessment questions. Take notes, upload photos, and documents all in one place. Select different facility types effortlessly. Track areas in the building with square footage, window count, and floor types. Manage tasks and frequency. Need to add areas? Simply add more as you survey the building. Estimates are made easy. Find all your estimates here for recurring services, one-time cleanings, carpets, floors, and windows. Just enter building details and labor costs, and it automatically calculates pricing for you. Need to make sure your staff is up to date with training? Add and edit custom-built employee training modules complete with quizzes. Assign modules and track who has completed training and who still needs to finish. 4 pre-built training modules are included, ready to customize to your needs. The BuiltToClean Manager includes equipment tracking, attendance tracking, and consolidates all customer records and service locations, eliminating scattered operations. Specifically crafted for commercial cleaning companies by someone who knows the daily challenges. Try our 14-day free trial at BuiltToClean.com and get started today with BuiltToClean Manager.